Hi everyone! I'm Margie Andales, a fourth-year student at Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasakaw Campus, major in Science. So for today, what I'm going to share with you guys is my journey, experience, and reflection during our field study too. How our field study to begin? So first, we as the pre-service teachers were gathered for the orientation with our FS2 instructors, Sir Carlo Cornejo and Ma'am Maricar for the Tulong Mo Dunong Ko. They informed us for the requirements as a pre-service teachers, and also we must be punctual. We always wear our uniform to appear decent and professional when we enter the Rolando R. Andaya Memorial High School, because this field study too will serve as a training ground aside from the actual practice teaching. On the first day of our field study tour was observation on the grade 8 students, and their topic was all about earthquake and faults.
This energy, A, bending of rocks, B, vibration of the rock.
Another day dito sa Andaya for being a student teacher for the field study to subject. So dito, as I will documenting myself as being a observer for this discussion. So dito, through my observation, I realized that students are actively participating if you use teaching strategies. Gaya ng ginawa dito ni Ma'am Annalyn is nagpa-game siya about the puzzle words, kung saan i-cross out ng mga students yung words na nakita nila or nabuo nila through that puzzle. So, and lahat ng students is nakikipag-participate. So dito, since recess time ng aming cooperating teacher, and then may napansin kaming mga students na nagla-laboratory sa labas ng classroom nila, and then dito na-realize ko na as a teacher, you must be flexible. Kung saan parte ng school mas matututo yung mga estudyante and mas may malalaman, need mong pumunta doon para lang makagain ng knowledge ang mga estudyante mo. Kagaya dito,
before we start, let us all be guided by our following objectives. When you hear the word survival, what comes to your mind?
Kasi for those times na medyo physically yakot kami, para mag-alala sa akin. And like every city, what we are hoping for para sa Indo is that kung alam man ang lalo galing sa school, ma-apply po Indo. Hindi transparent yung pag ako sa Indo. During your experience sa school you saw the reality of how we teach our students. So it's not really ideal, but sabi ko nga sa Indo during the traffic, duman mo lang po sa idea. Ano, bago ka mo duman sa tunay na buhay, ang pakpak ito. Ano, isa sana po, kung nako akamo, kung nako akasak, nako akamo sa